Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to make a public Discord bot with a dashboard. First, you need to create a Discord bot in the Discord developer portal. Start by opening Google Chrome and searching for Discord developer tools. Open the first link and click on Applications. Click on New Application and give it a name. Click on Create and confirm that you are a human. You can add an icon, write a description, and add tags if you want. Now go to the bot section and scroll down. Make sure you have enabled all three intents. Click on Save Changes. You can also set bot permissions, and for this video, I will give it administrator access. Scroll down until you find the Reset Token option. Click Yes and enter your password. A token will be generated. Copy it and paste it somewhere safe. Go to OAuth once again, scroll down, enable bot, and give it the required permissions. A URL will be generated. Copy it, open a new tab, paste it, and press enter. Select your server, continue, authorize the bot, and confirm the CAPTCHA. Click on your server, and as you can see, the bot has been successfully created. To create a simple dashboard, open a new tab in Google Chrome. Search for BotGhost. Click on Create a Bot. If this is your first time, log in using your Discord account. From here, the steps are mostly the same. Click on Add New Bot and follow the setup prompts. You will be asked to paste your bot token. Copy the token, paste it here, and complete the setup. As you can see, the bot is now online, which you can confirm in Discord. To create a simple dashboard command, go back to BotGhost. Navigate to Settings on the left side and select Custom Commands. Click on Custom Builder to add a new command. Enter a trigger like hi, add a description, and define the response. For example, when someone types hi, the bot can reply with plain text. Click, drag, connect the blocks, and enter a reply like hello there. Click on Save Command. Go back to Discord and press Ctrl+R to refresh. Type the saved command, press Enter, and the bot will reply instantly. The dashboard allows you to enable, disable, or edit commands at any time. After setting up your commands, test them in the server. This setup provides a simple and efficient way to manage a public Discord bot without complex coding. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.